Subject and Verb Agreement. Part 1. In this module, let us understand about the rules of subject and verb agreement. Definition of basic rule. Singular subject takes a singular verb, while a plural subject takes a plural verb. So the very basic of subject-verb agreement rule is that a singular verb is taken by a singular subject and plural verb is taken by a plural subject. According to first rule, uncountable noun or noun that cannot be counted is followed by a singular verb. Your food is ready. Here, uncountable noun food is followed by singular verb is. According to second rule, singular verb follows when a collective noun or count noun that denotes a group of individuals is thought of as a single unit. The team is ready for the next event. Here, collective noun team is followed by singular verb is, as team is thought of as a single unit. According to third rule, singular verb follows all proper nouns, that is, nouns belonging to the class of words used as names for unique individuals, events or places. India is moving towards progress and stability. Here, proper noun India is followed by a singular verb is. According to fourth rule, plural verb is in plural form if two or more singular nouns are connected by and. Seema and Geeta are playing together. Here, singular nouns Seema, Geeta are followed by plural verb are in plural form, as Seema and Geeta, when joined by and, becomes a plural subject, so a plural verb is used alongside them. According to fifth rule, singular verb follows if two or more singular nouns are joined by and, but they refer to the same person or thing. Then the verb that follows is singular. Saurabh, my friend and coach, is playing today's match. Here, singular verb is follows two or more singular nouns, my friend and coach. But both my friend and coach are directed to Saurabh, hence a singular verb would be used alongside Saurabh. Subject and Verb Agreement. Part 2. According to sixth rule, a singular verb is used when the words are joined to a singular subject by with, along with, and as well as. Here in a sentence, if words like with, along with, and as well as is used to join singular subject with other words, then singular verb is used. The boy along with his father was going to the market. Here, singular verb was is used as the words along with are joining singular boy to father. According to seventh rule, singular verb follows if two or more singular subjects are connected by or or nor. Obama or Clinton is going to become the next president of United States. Here, singular verb is used in the sentence as two or more singular subjects, Obama, Clinton, are connected by or. According to 8th rule, verb takes plural form when the plural subject is placed next to the verb and any one of the subjects joined by or nor. Saurabh or his friends are responsible for the mess created in the room. Here, plural verb are is used as the plural subject friends has been used close to the verb of the sentence and has been joined by a or to another subject, Saurabh. Rule 9. According to the 9th rule, singular verb is used when words like either, each, everyone, and neither are used. Everyone is allowed to leave. Here, singular verb is has been used when everyone is used in the sentence as the subject. Rule 10. According to the 10th rule, when two singular subjects are joined by and there is also the use of words like each and every with it, the verb that follows is singular. Each orange and each apple costs 10 rupees. Here, singular verb costs follows as two singular subjects, orange, apple, are joined by and there is also the use of words each with the two singular subjects.